Water buffalo steak is known for being tough. This method finally made it tender, and I'll show you exactly what I did. Found these water buffalo steaks in the freezer. See, we're bringing them all the way to room temperature, and then we're gonna brine them. We're just gonna use some regular salt, and we're gonna brine these steaks. Be generous with it. Yes, both sides. Give it a rub-a-dub. And we're gonna leave these out for 30 minutes. The steaks are brining. We're gonna whisk up some olive oil, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, garlic powder, and black pepper. We're gonna add some cayenne. Rinse these off, and then cocoa water, and pat them dry. All right, now we're gonna just gently tenderize. Loosen up those fibers. Okay, now we're gonna marinate these with the marinade sauce. We're not soaking them, we're just marinating them. We're gonna let these marinate for 30 minutes at room temperature.
Nice. This is what we've been looking for.
Let's add our steaks. We're going on a medium, looking for 2 minutes on each side. Hey, take the juices too. All right. Oh, butter. And thick. 2 more minutes on the other side. Take them off the heat. Now we're sitting here. We're at an internal temperature of 125. This is exactly where we want to be. Butter on top. We're gonna let this rest for 10 minutes before we cut into it. It's been 10 minutes. Slice these up. Yes. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to. I got another video coming up right here. See you soon.